Hello everybody and welcome to our app Wixpa Google Shopping Feed. In this video, we are going to talk about how to upload custom images and how to optimize them. So let's get started. If you don't want to sync some of your Shopify product images to Google Merchant Center, then you can use this feature. You can delete those images from here, and after deleting them from here, they will not appear in your GMC account. You can change your featured image from here as well, and you also have the option to add more images by clicking on add files. You can see I'm adding more images, but remember you cannot upload more than 11 images. So let me delete some of my previous images to make a space for new ones. You can see my new images have been uploaded here. Now let's upload them in Merchant Center. Meanwhile, let's move to our feed settings. And here you need to remember one thing, and that is if you want to upload custom images, then make sure this manual feature is turned on in product sync rules. Because if the auto option is turned on, then all your Shopify product changes will be automatically synced to your Merchant Center account after 24 hours. So make sure to turn on this manual option for uploading the custom images. Now let's move back and check whether the changes have been reflected to Google Merchant Center or not. You can see our featured image has been changed here. And you can see all the details here. You can see our newly added image is showing here. And the second one is not showing. It will take some time, and after that it will also show here. So this is how you can upload your custom images. Stay tuned with us for more information. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app Wixpa Google Shopping Feed. And thank you for watching this video.